Let us discuss some questions which covers the entire first semester exam. First semester. So this is the best questions for BCA, BBA, and BCom. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
This will be shared in your group. The guest questions for general exams. There are 40 questions. Let us start from the screen visible.
Yes.
What is the compound sentence?
Sentence with more than one subject or predicate.
Not more than. Again, you are answering the same way. A sentence which has two verbs, two actions. Make a compound sentence.
The boy who is my brother.
And what is the difference between loud and allowed? What is the difference between loud and allowed? Confusing words.
Loud means screaming. Screaming loud and allowed to someone doing any work.
Define correctness and conciseness in a written communication. What is correctness and what is conciseness? Define memo.
Correctness means communication should be correct, and conciseness means communication should be
To the point.
brief, short, to the point. Yes.
Define memo. What is it used for?
Or a brief message or report.
What is it used for?
Is for communication purpose between people on the same level or from down
Okay. What is the communication flow of a memo?
horizontal.
What are the types of a memo? Give an example. What are the types of a memo?
And two types of memos.
What is it?
Memo is sent to be individual and memo is sent to be in the group.
Yes. Two types of memos, which is? Yeah. And what are the types of memo? Give an example. Horizontal and vertical. What are complaint letters? Elaborate your answer.
Complaint letters are those letters which are written when
And when we write a letter for defective goods and
You have to elaborate your answer. Can be long question also. What are repeat orders? Throw light. What are repeat orders?
मैम जो ऑर्डर पहले आ चुका है उसी को दोबारा रिपीटेशन के लिए अलग अगर उसका प्रोडक्ट बेटर हो तो
What are complaint letters?
दोनों तो सेम होगा
नहीं उसमें था give an example, elaborate your answer. It can be short answer, it can be long answer, it can be very short answer,
ओके मैम
it can be very long answer. On what occasion would you write a complaint letter?
When the goods you have received is
when you found a
not effective. Or not the original.
product
Okay. So be prepared for either short answer, a very short answer, or as required. So on what occasion would you write a complaint letter? So it हो गया. What is a cover letter? What is a cover letter?
Description of what is
A cover letter should always be attached to the resume. Only resume is not enough. You have to attach a cover letter. A cover letter is something which will showcase your skills and talents. It will give you the opportunity to write in details of whatever you want to say, to show yourself better in better light, to prove your worth. So there are a lot of things you can include in the cover letter which you have not been able to do in the resume. Resume, you're only showing points, and in a cover letter, you can write in detail. Like if you're writing my expertise in some languages or expertise in some particular thing, you can elaborate that in a cover letter, how you have benefited from this skill. इसको आप डिटेल में कर सकते हैं. That is why in a cover letter is very important, because it will include more than what is. It will include whatever you've done in the CV, in a resume, but in more details. Cover letter will be more detailed. What is the importance of letterhead and inside address?
your company.
It will need your company and inside address. So what is included in the letterhead? What is the letterhead?
The company's name, the address of the company.
Your name, address, logo, name, address, fax, email ID, telephone number, branches, address of the branches, everything is included in the letterhead. And so what is the inside address?
So we are writing the
The receiver's address. The same address will be done. It will be put in the inside address. And what is the difference between formal and informal communication? Formal, informal. Yes, sir. हाँ हाँ हाँ. अच्छा. हम्म 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 हम्म. ओके. ठीक है. ठीक है सर. ओके ओके सर. हम्म हम्म. ठीक है. हम्म. ओके. हम्म. हाँ. ठीक है सर. हाँ. ठीक है सर. ओके सर. हम्म हम्म हम्म. तो क्या MCQs भी करेंगे क्या सर? हम्म. ओके. ठीक है. तो 50 MB. हाँ. हम्म हम्म. ओके. ठीक है. ठीक. ठीक है सर. हम्म. ठीक है. ठीक है. हम्म. कल कल. ठीक. ठीक. हम्म. ओके सर. ठीक है. The difference between formal and informal communication.
Formal communication refers to those communication between two with relatives, family members, friends, etc.
Okay.
Formal communication is those communication which we occurs in the office.
So what is the importance of subject line in a letter? Sorry. What are the parts of, what are the different parts of a letter? Prepare. What is the importance of subject line in a letter? समझ लीजिएगा इसको. Subject line क्यों important है? Write a vertical memo to assistant for late coming. You know you're the boss and you're writing to your assistant, giving him a memo. This will be a vertical memo for late coming. What do you understand by expository writing style? अभी इतना हुआ expository. भूल गए क्या? Then expository क्या होता है? Describe तो descriptive थोड़ी होता है. मैंने आपको एक बर्ड को दिखाया था, उसको आप डिस्क्राइब किए थे. ठीक है. Expository क्या होता है? When you inform. What is a solicited proposal? नहीं. What is solicited proposal? When the other person sends you request or order, it can be from an advertisement, and you are responding. You are not taking the initiative, but you are responding. For example, there's a job vacancy, solicited. It is demanded by the other person. Like the solicited proposal about this 15th August program. So we have not given any proposal, but it came from the authority. That this is the proposal solicited. It means the students will have to participate. The different parts of a letter is already elaborate करना ही है इसको आपको. From letterhead to complementary tools. What is the trial letter?
We are trying a new supplier on goods. Then we also provide us some goods for on a trial basis.
When this is the first letter when you send a trial letter, because you want to order in a bulk. First, you would like to test or taste whatever you want to buy. What do you understand by postscript?
Already written.
इधर से कोई जवाब नहीं आ रहा है. क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? What is postscript? जो लेटर लिखने के बाद हम लोग PS लिखते हैं. आफ्टर थॉट, मतलब लेटर खत्म योर सिंसियरली करने के बाद कुछ और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज लिखना चाहते हैं तो PS करके लिखते हैं. तो पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट शॉर्ट फॉर्म है PS. What is inside it is already discussed. What is the communication flow of a memo? Repeat हो रहा है ये. हाँ ठीक है. What is the communication flow of a horizontal memo? Vertical memo? On what subjects topics can reports be written? रिपोर्ट लिखने के कितने टॉपिक्स हो सकते हैं? बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. Many? हाँ, yeah. Who writes the agenda? कौन लिखता है एजेंडा? इधर के लोग बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हैं. एकदम ब्लैंक. नो आंसर ना? The PA or the secretary. What is the most popular letter writing style? What is a simple sentence? What is the difference between curriculum vitae and resume?
It's for particular job. All the information.
Resume is for fresher and curriculum vitae is for experience. Resume will be of 1 page. CV can be of many pages. There are other differences also. Find that out. Meeting खत्म हो गया आपका. Why am I signed out? Okay. What is a repeat order already? Okay. Write an order letter to the sales manager for books you would like to buy to CBT Book Sales Book Center. ठीक है? एक आपको लिखना पड़ेगा order letter. Write an example of narrative style of writing. On what occasion would you choose to write a descriptive essay? What is the difference between expository and argumentative writing style? Write an objective for your resume. What lessons do you learn from the success story of Rahul Bajaj? How has Narayan Murthy motivated you? What was the life and struggles of Subhash Chandra? How is the 7 C's of communication important? What are the types of business proposal? Write a short note on external proposal. जितने क्वेश्चन डाले हमने उसमें कितना तुम कर सकते हो? बताइए कितने कर सकते हैं जितने क्वेश्चन डाले हैं इसमें?
27.
Attempt 40 to 40. तो आप बिल्कुल सेफ सही में रहिएगा, ठीक है? There are 14 people in the class. I will be sharing these questions to you. Fine.